Here's how to code Python for beginners without installing anything. Part 4. Today we're going to be going through dictionaries. So to make a dictionary, you first need to create a variable. So dictionary 1 will be my variable name. And then instead of parentheses, you use curved brackets like these. Then, since dictionaries are valued in pairs, so what this means is like you could do color and then a colon and then orange and then a comma and then more quotation marks. So I'll say a car is red, and then another one I'll say the year, which is 2022 currently. If you do alert dictionary 1, it'll alert the dictionary. So since dictionaries are in pairs, you could go like dictionary and then in square brackets, color. And if I click run, it'll say orange because the pair for the color is orange. So if I did car and clicked run, it'd say red. And if I set year, it would say 2022. So unlike tuples, dictionaries cannot have duplicates. So I'll demonstrate that now. So if I do year and then 2022 and clicked run, it would not print the second one. It would only print one. So unlike tuples, you can add items to dictionaries. So to add an item to a dictionary, you simply do your dictionary name, so in this case dictionary 1, dot update. And then parentheses and curved brackets, and add a pair inside those curved brackets. So I'll do dollar is a coin. So if I click run, it'll say color, orange, car, red, year 2022, and a dollar is a coin. Now, to remove an item from a dictionary, you simply do dictionary.pop. So what this does, it pops an item from the dictionary, but instead of popping the pair, you just write the first value of the pair, so I'll write year. You also need to delete the curly brackets, and you write year inside. So that's the first value of the pair. And as you can see, it says color, orange, car, red, and it does not say the year is 2022. And also, you can change a value of a dictionary. So you cannot change the first value, but you can change the second value of a dictionary or dictionary pair. So what you need to do is you need to do your dictionary name and then square brackets and the name of your first value in the pair that you want to change. So I'll do year and then an equal sign and whatever you want to change it to. So I'll change it to 2023 if you're watching this in 2023. And now it says color, orange, car, red, year, 2023. Now that's all for today. It was another short video on dictionaries, and I'll see you guys in the next video where we explain how to use math in Python.